It's almost that time of year again, so I decided to make some beautiful moons and witches. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking part in a collaboration called Embellishments on the 11th, where several of us get together to show off our different little projects that we could put on cards or other things. This is hosted by Deb Hauk of Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage. And when you're done with this video, please go over and check the other ones. I will have a hashtag down in my description box. Okay, let's get started. I use several inks: Distress Oxide, regular ink, and Versified Clair, as well as my Sunflower Archival ink. I used my punch to cut out the moons. I was just gonna make moons, but then I thought, well, you know, I think the witch definitely added some interest. This is the die I got as part of a set that came with this big, cool haunted house. And I also looked up pictures of the moon to try to get it a little more realistic. So this first one, I used black soot and morning mist. And then I glued my little witch on with my Tumbo Mono glue. This is sparkly black paper I used for the witch. And I forgot, I think this is just the fossilized amber for this one. And then this one, I did the, if you notice, the little piece down here, the little circle, well, if you look at images of the moon, it kind of looks like the bottom of an orange. So I did this with my alcohol marker, and then I used a Jelly Roll pen to make those little striations. And then some picket fence, and then the morning mist. And then this one is the fossilized amber and a little bit of brown. And then I think this is mostly morning mist and black soot. This is one of my favorites. This is the Ranger Sunflower and the fossilized amber. As usual, I will be making cards with these, so please stay tuned for that. See you soon. Bye-bye.